Hi guys, Sabin this side and I'm back with another new video. Today I'm going to show you how to install Python in Ubuntu using the source link. Let's dive in. First things first, let's make sure our system is up to date. Open your terminal and type the commands sudo apt update and sudo apt upgrade -y. Hit enter. Next we need to install the required tools and libraries. These are essential for building Python from the source. Here are the commands. Don't worry, you don't have to remember all of this. I have got the command in the description below. Try to grab the Python source code. Head to the official Python website and find your desired version. And we are going to download the 3.12.3 source code and just copy the link address and just type wget and paste the source code link and hit enter. Now it's downloaded. Current my Python version is by default 3.10.12. Once downloaded, extract the tarball using this command tar-xf python 12.3 and hit enter. Now let's get to the fun part, building and installing the Python. Go into the extracted folder and run the configure command to optimize the Python for your system. You can see pkg-config package is still missing, so we are going to install the missing package. Just type sudo apt install pkg-config space -y, hit enter. If you already have the Python 3 but want to create a second Python installation on top of that one, run the following command sudo make alt installed and hit enter. Allow the process to complete because it will take some time. Check if the installation is complete correctly by running the Python 3 - version to check the by default, and we are going to check Python 3.12 - version. Now you can see Python 3.12 and .3 is current we installed version. Now we are going to set the Python version by default as 3.12.3. So just type sudo update alternate command and make it a by default. Now you can see, enter the password. Oh, it's not correct commands. There is alternatives, as is just missed, so I type the as and hit enter. Now it's the in the auto mode. Now you can check the Python 3 - version and you can see Python 3.12.3 is set it is as a default. Congratulations, you are now ready to write an awesome Python script. If you found this video is helpful, please give it to like and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.